Hello everyone and welcome to lesson 3 of Darusian. Today we're going to be going through the final 11 consonants, and we covered 12 in the last video, and I recommend watching that first so you can understand more of the complex themes that I'm just going to be brushing over in this video. So let's get started. We're going to start off with the consonant Z. Z is written as so. We're using the vowel A in our mutation, or A, and I will also be showing you how to do it with some other vowels as well. This is ZA. Next is S. S is written as S. Sa. Then we have Sh. Sh is written as Sha. CH is written as Cha. And then J is written as Ja. So we've got Za, Sa, Sha, Cha, Ja, Ja, Cha, Sha, Sa, Za, A. So we can write these all in their singular form. Z is simply, S is like written often like this, or you can write it like this. You can choose either one. Often people do that because it's just simpler. Then we've got Sh, which is simply Ch, and J. So we got Z, S, Sh, Ch, J. And we can only write these below or above our agglutinative, which I mentioned in the last video. So let's try this with another vowel. We can write Z, Z, Se, Se, She, Chu, and let's write Jai. So these are examples of how we can mutate the right hand side to change our vowels. So I'm gonna wipe these all off now, so if you bear with me 1 second. We're going to be going through the final 5 now. Final 5 vowels. The final 5 vowels we have are Y, W, which looks like ow in Darusian, V, R, and L. So when we want to write Y, Y is in inwards. Yeah. What is written outwards? Sorry, no. What is written below? Wa. V is written outwards. My apologies. Ya inwards, W below, and V out. Then we have R. R is a little complex to write. It goes from the middle, out and up, and then down and in, kind of making an and sign. Then we've got L, which is simply a circle. So let's write their singular forms. So Y is often written like this above and this below. It's often curved. The W sound is written as, the V sound is written as, the R sound is written as, or this tends to be more often, and the L sound is simply a circle. We can try and do these with other sounds as well. We write yoy, and then we can try w. This is w. Then we can try vua. Oops, I wrote in English. Vua. R, re, and le. Le. So I hope those all make sense for you. I'm going to revisit the complex themes that we had before in the last video now. So those were all the vowels that we covered in this video. And I'm going to teach you block formation as well. An introduction to block formation. So let's take the word svak, which means meat in Darusian. S-v-a-k, svak. And let's take the word tua, which means you in Darusian. Svak, tua. So when we want to write svak, we have the main block, which is made up of our agglutinative, the bottom block, and the top block. You can add more blocks the more consonants you wanted to write. So we're going to write sa first. So sa, sa. If we remember the consonant for v, that's va. We're going to just take it, sva. This becomes sva. And then k. If you visit my last video, you'll know how to write k. So svak. So it's a circular motion. Svak. Svak. I. Let's write ktua. We take kua and we add our T sound. Ktua. If we wanted to add a ba, then we do dot. Not a circle, because a circle would be ktlua, but we just add one and two, break it. So it's ktua, ktua. This is ktua. And it follows the same principle. So the majority of Darusian words will have just about this much. You might encompass, so if we take snya, snya, snya. So if we take, let's do snye. If we do say, snay, snay, snye, snye, because we follow this, snye. And you often see this vowel paired with this on top, that becomes a. Snye, snye. So hopefully that made some sense. And those were the vowels we visited today, as you know. So we'll go through them finally, quickly. And let's use a different vowel this time. So we can use so if we go z, 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 si, she, chi, and G. We've got those. Then we can do E, V, we, And we can do R and L, that are the last two consonants. Ri and Li. So those are our final consonants. Hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully it made more sense